Humans are the most sophisticated and intellectually advanced species on Earth, and we like to know things. So my dad found a microscope at a surplus thrift shop. It was a toy microscope, but it had enough power to be able to look at microorganisms in a puddle. The microscope requires a human on it, doing the finding, doing the focusing.
Our goal at Techcyte is to make a difference in medical technicians' lives and patients' lives by automating tests that happen in the lab today. Microscopes are over 400 years old and they haven't changed much. Being able to take that from an analog world to a digital world, it's a big deal. Whole slide scanners have improved dramatically over the past few years to create these gigapixel images. The color representation and the magnification basically reproduces what you see in a microscope. So now slides can be digitized. That digital image can be seen anywhere you have a web browser.
There's been a generational gap and a switch. So when you can give them a new technology, you're going to motivate them. They're going to be sparked to want to do that work.
If you grew up using touch screens and you grew up looking at big monitors and you grew up using these advancements that we have, how do you say, okay, but now in here you've got to hunch over this microscope and dial this dial? So they've got to bring in a tool and they've got to use technology in order to bridge that gap.
As a lab, we can help you find the right scanner and work through all the regulatory and other issues that are going to be required to go digital.
We're then going to work with you and customize that workflow and make sure that it's exactly what you need in your organization to be successful.